What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can fix a quiet microphone. I just had this problem maybe 10 seconds ago, and I figured it out, so I decided to film, and I was going to show you guys how to fix it. So the problem that I had was my microphone was flipped this way, and what I learned is, see right here where the name right here is like PIY Painting? This has to be facing you, and you get the better audio quality from your video. So if you ever run into a microphone issue, make sure that you're recording and that it's actually going to get your voice is going to get taken in by the microphone, because the problem was mine was not. I was flipping on the wrong side, and I was not recording towards where the microphone needed to be recording. So that fixed my problem. Let me know down in the comments below if they're on how you maybe fixed your microphone if it wasn't this way, so I can know for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a nice rest of your day. Bye.